In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram automatically closes. So if we open up Instagram, say we're doing something like scrolling through Reels or making a post, and it suddenly crashes, it could be an issue with the Instagram servers or an issue with your app itself. So the first thing we'll check is the servers. So we'll go to a web browser and type in "is Instagram down?" Then go to Down Detector, and if you see a sudden spike of reported outages, then most likely that's the reason why Instagram keeps crashing or closing every time you open it. But as you can see here, there aren't a bunch of all sudden spikes, so that is not the case. So if you do see a big spike, then you'll just have to wait until Instagram gets their servers back up and running. But the next thing you can do is to check if it's an issue with your app itself. So we can go to Settings, go into Apps, find Instagram, go into storage and clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall it. This refreshes all of the app files and updates the app to the latest version, which fixes any kind of bugs most of the time. After this, we should be able to open it and it should be able to fix any kind of bugs that was causing it to crash. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.